Good morning, children. Have a nice day. Standard 9th, Unit 3, Civics, Human Rights. Already discussed the topic. Human rights, fundamental rights and fundamental duties. Now, let us discuss the topic child rights. It's a very interesting topic about you. Apart from the fundamental rights described by the Constitution, we have to ensure the certain other rights. A child is a person who has not completed the age of 18 years. That is a minor as per UNO. This principle is exhibited in Articles 25 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Based on this principle, the Declaration of the Rights of the Child was accepted and adopted in the UN General Assembly on 20th November 1989. So what are the rights? Right to life, right to life, right to family environment, right to family environment, right to education, right to education, right to benefit from social security, Another one, right against sexual exploitation, right against sexual exploitation. Another one, the right against sale or trafficking, the right against sale or trafficking. Another one, right against other forms of exploitation like child labor. Now let us each one of the topic discussed.
Right to life. A child has right to survive even before its birth. The right to survival also includes the right to be born, the right to basic needs of food, shelter, and clothing, and a dignified living. So next, right to family environment. A child has a right to live a normal childhood in a family environment. Children who have been left destitute, abandoned, or urban also have the right to live. These children can be given for adoption to caring families. Next, right to benefit from social security. Children should get financial support from the country when their parents or guardians are unable to provide them with a good standard of living by themselves due to any illness, disabilities, or old age. Next, right to education. It is a very important right. The Right to Education Act is an act of Parliament of India enacted in 2009 for free and compulsory education for children from 6 to 14 years of age as under Article 21A of the Constitution. So next, right against sale or trafficking of children. Children should be treated as individuals with fundamental human rights. Children are vulnerable. There are root causes such as poverty, gender discrimination, broken families, etc. behind the sale or trafficking of children. Children are subjected to sale or trafficking of various reasons: economic exploitation, sexual abuse, the drug trafficking, and child labor. Next, right against sexual exploitation. The state should protect children from sexual exploitation and abuse when they are forced or pursued to take part in sexual activity physically or mentally. Right against other forms of exploitation like child labor. Children are often employed in several industries. These children are deprived of their childhood, health, and education. This will lead to a life of poverty and want. These children are made to work in glass, matchbox, lock making factories, rag picking, carpet making industries, beady rolling, mining, stone quarrying, the brick-kilns and tea gardens, etc. Work in mostly gender specific, with girls the performing more home based work, while boys are employed as waged labor. Since these children work in agricultural fields, restaurant, motor repair workshop and home based industries, elimination of child labor remains a challenge. The rights in the Indian Constitution. Child rights in Indian Constitution. So very important one. Article 24. No child below the age of 14 must be employed in hazardous employment. Hazardous employments are dangerous. Article 45. Free and compulsory education for all children until the attain age of the 14 years. So another important, so the most important personality Kailash Satyarthi and another one Malala. So Malala and Kailash both are get the Peace Nobel Prize. So Malala it is one to fight for education, for fight for uh, right to education for girls, and Kailash Satyarthi is against for the child labor. Thank you.